Hi, my name is Lorna Hamilton. I'm a 64-year-old retired teacher. I have 4 kids, 2 grandkids. I used to mountain climb and be very active, and then I had a problem with my knees, basically pretty much overnight, and I had pain at 8 to 9. It was 24/7. I couldn't walk. I couldn't do just daily activities, and my husband sent me to Epic Imaging over in Portland. He's a chiropractor, and he knew of Dr. Desai. He'd been to some of his seminars years before, and then we came to RestorePDX, where Dr. Desai works and has his clinic. And we wanted to go with the least invasive procedures for helping my knees. And so I had the stem cell replacement therapy with the blood platelets, and that was June 25th that I had the procedure done, and this is September, actually 25th, would be July, August, September, 3 months later. I had it done on both knees, and my left knee I have no pain whatsoever. I have some pain in my right. I'd taken a pretty bad fall and hit my right knee, so I'm working on getting rid of that pain. I just have a little bit there. It has made a total difference in my life and what I'm able to do. The people here are just so helpful in explaining and explain the procedures and how it can be helpful. And I'm just thrilled with it.